Therefore, me wo ho na will be sending information say national security for abo ewura osofo beduko bi ne fie na wo mo ko ne fie no wo mo yo madwen say wo mo kohwehwe anyama bi mu na wo mo ache no. Now so what kaya 2 days ago me the story be brown say Kennedy Japan ebetena na 2 ene Oman FM cancel bebre efa osofo beduko bi ho because Kennedy Japan say beduko bi say Akufo-Addo din. Na in some Kennedy Japan kind of very wild allegations. Wasi beduko bi cars a water the chain na no eye cars a wo wia eye stolen cars won't ya duty emfa eye cars no ho na Kennedy Japan ga say won no Kennedy Japan wo be ma ya chi beduko bi say ya nchi beduko bi a yen frɛ no ama e Japan ma na wo information a etre say na kre beduko bi wo ye kronfo osofo beduko bi na Kennedy Japan e ka ne ho saa no e ka ne ho asem saa no etiefo enti e ba san na Kennedy Japan kan e wo na tu say wo wia wo kra list of cars a beduko bi wo wia ye ana cars a wentia ho duty na wono Kennedy Japan no won ko kra cars enfri amano ne emba embetia ho duty na wo beduko bi won betena ho say car no untia ho duty enti e kro no sem enti Kennedy Japan be bobo cars bebre Jaguar ne insem bebre a wo ka se beduko bi e ko wia sa cars no enti no what information no command national security ne kra national security acted on that information they yate and they said womuko beduko bi fie now womuko fie no something happened some people ye na say beduko bi o sofo panyin ana o sofo kese na womuko ni fie no enka ya akoye say beduko bi nkola bi eyo madwen say na ko mo mpene e ma national security for no emba inside because they weren't holding any warrant so wo ko chi obi ana wo ko search ni ba ko na Embrace say as a police force and as national security no e was a ukra warrant. National security for no mun kita warrant inti beduko bi enkola ne ye say wo mo man national security for no enrem. But beduko bi nankasa ka che ne enkola ne say dabi mo mbra I have nothing to hide. Ne kre wo mo enrem national security for rem no mo ka say wo mo nyante ye say cars are parking na cars bebre e wo body ko bi fie omo say cars are parking wo beduko bi fie no just like Kennedy Japan e kan no e cars are went to ya ho duty no mbe so mo check e no ka say no problem e no okofa papers ni abaya no mo check ye na national security for ne check wie ya no mo hu say say asema ye da to beduko bi so enya ne credit because mo check papers no mo hu say oh cars ni na no e rightfully owned cars enya cars a beduko bi why den wakwa ko wia womu wieye ena womu free ne fie hoko ya womu ejai no some information we ena menyae but I couldn't bring the information out because na me ni proof etiefo beduko bi ankasa e wa sorry ende ono ankasa babonten abe provide proof say ne kre national security for eba ne fie ebe ye check na womu check ye no womu nya hwe into womu san womu chi ekoye yenko tie mbra ne ye tie ba me de menso mensem ebeto aso.
Sad part is that the person talking doesn't know me. And that this he said it on radio that Beduko bi was begging. I was at home today when national security and they were lucky I didn't even ask them for a warrant to show their warrant. I just wanted to prove to them I'm not afraid of them. So they came to my compound, did everything on every car, nothing. Nothing. And then they left. Pat, where's Pat? Some were fighting with them. I called them. Nothing. I'll bring Beduko bi down. Which Beduko bi down? You see? You know why? Because Beduko bi is dealing with matters of the nation. And listen to me. If I don't speak, some of you, by reason of the issues of the nation, you'll be broke. Because if taxes go up, who becomes affected? The citizenry. Whether they go to glorious wave or they don't go to church at all. So who should speak? I.
Therefore, now you've heard from the man. Now, media, asema mekashe mone say, eto de bi a Ghana for no yakasa munti. Me say, yeah, Kennedy Japan. So Babontin ebe kasa wild allegations ki kansem efa nkrofo ho na wama waso anda fomu a ebia na wakọ akobu nipa ko ne wakobu na ebia wakọ akobu ni wekobu na aten sa na ye ka no ebia na wakọ akobu nipa ko na aten se nipa ko idie bonsam at least if for nothing at all krana the national security has vindicated Bedu Kobi ensem wa Kennedy Japan wa kafa ne ho se wo ye kronfo wo moko ni fie na ka ne kre wo moko ye check no mu hu se wo ye kronfo kasa ye ka se we wia wo mu hu se we wia na ka Bedu Kobi wo nyamre se wo kọ akwa ya sorry because na ka ho na ye be chi na atum because no mo akọ ni fie se wo moko ye checks ema wo mo check cars ne ho papers bibia ehun se se na Kennedy Japan ebe ka tre yen se Bedu Kobi stolen cars no wo mo aye hwehwemu ehun ne se enye stolen cars ema national security for no sebe wo bi be se wo mo di omonim guase efi Bedu Kobi fie ekoe next time eya say national security for Kennedy Japan the information bro mu bioma wo mo be take action ana. And let me say this, what national security did, I think it is very right. Say will be the allegations about on someone. Na mo tu ho na mo akọ nipa kuni fie ekọ akọhwe. I think say it is right. The only problem I have na say yenim. Say why they took this action was because Bedu Kobi speaks against this government and Kennedy Japan and Asebe what the information ekoma womo. Yenim. Say nanka osofo bi na NDC MPP na ba bonten na nsem a ya ka fa Bedu Kobi hu yemfa ne se nanka Okujato Ablakwa wonu no ye NDC MP ebia Okujato Ablakwa na ba bonten na nsem a ya ka fa Bedu Kobi hu no Okujato Ablakwa aka the same things afa Reverend Owusu Bempa ho o se Reverend Owusu Bempa akofa cars bi wentia ho ka akoyese wentia ho ka nanka you and I know say national security there's no way wo mo be sorry akọ Owusu Bempa fie say wo mo koye check na nka mo check say ne car no ne krese we wi anko mbechi na tum you and I know. So I'll say that the move from national security it is good. It shows that they are being proactive. It shows that will be allergia you guys move na mo hu ne say eye ne kre ana enye ne kre and then when we move it to Bedu Kobi fie akọ hu ne say enye ne kre Kasa Kennedy Japan bobo cars ni din and their Lexus and their Jaguar and their den say Bedu Kobi the cars ni free Togo na ni na den no ya chi Bedu Kobi den ni na and the national security for akọ Bedu Kobi fie eku hu ne say eye ntwato so ene ayede ato Bedu Kobi so. I just hope and pray say next time o mo say wo bi nso ye ka ne ho asem sa na ni patrol ne nso will free the ruling party, they will take that same action. Me Kadam say Ghana has a democracy, no, it's just on paper. It's just on paper. Ma will be a young who says Annie Pakui the work cassette president, and I'm not speaking for any person, either NDC or NPP. My young who say the Pakuro way work cassette president or cassette president. Na wo bi embe raise small allegation bi asa allegation na nka wo di we nikra to form obehu ne se nya ne kre obehu ne se they be use all the arsenal the security agencies at that person say ye kwa akwhwe se eye ne kra na mo nim ni akwhwe na eye ne kre na nka wo pese o tre me se national security for ko Bedu Kobi fie se na Bedu Kobi kasa edidi eye 7 prediasa president sorry Senior Bedu Kobi said in previous a wakasa ADD president attempt. Are you telling me say nanka national security for Eko Bedu Kobi fie? Omoko ni fie no mu hu say nekre Bedu Kobi cars no ebi wo ho awewi a. Are you telling me say nanka omo beja ho akosa? Masa nanka zuwa wo mo be zuwa no onu a bete me samia. It is so wo akọ ni fie akọ ye check say hu ne say you mislead yen ama ya ba Bedu Kobi fie no. At least it tells you. Ya can mo say ya tan Kennedy Japan. But you see today Bedu Kobi has come out to say his side of the story. and omo no mo te ben beduko bi ni nia ehu ye say national security for ba ne fie wo mo be ye checks nsema ye kato ne so nia no na enye ne kre nti omo san omuchi ekoye obi a wote ben beduko bi bia etizazem sakomo no obi aka you see yeah cancer Kennedy Japan kasa sometimes Muji ninsem ni be the too much say mo fa say that is the gospel truth. But most of insem a work no if you go down into insem na obe hu say da bi eye wo ya obi no de kasa ntwa to so bia say nipa ko na ya de ma na ye ne ya nti wono so kan nsem ato nipa ko ne so ama na ye ne ya. And that is Kennedy Japan's rule. Me so say sometimes insem na work no ebia na ebi wom Beduko bi nsema wo kan say Beduko bi wo girlfriends ni nyama no. I'm not doubting e betumi aba say bia wo girlfriends. But Kennedy Japan de nsem ni bi be ka ho later wo koye searcher na ma no Kennedy Japan no na asem di na asay. And this is also one part of it. Mo share mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu me da say.